Are you searching for best bicycle rear derailleur? Hey guys, I am Joni. I have been working on AliExpress products for about 4 years. Hopefully, my experience and guidelines will help you best product choice. Today I am going to reviews top 5 best bicycle rear derailleur in 2024. Number 1, Shimano Deore M5111 Speed Groupset Shift Derailleur, brand name, Shimano, model number, Shimano Deore M5111 Speed Set, type, rear derailleur, feature, super strong fitting force, hydraulic riveting technology, -2XSP wear resistance technology, patented double X bridge design, precise and agile shifting performance. The guide angle design of the inner chain can improve the speed change performance. The guide angle design of the outer chain piece increases the smoothness of shifting. Number 2, SRAM GX Eagle 1X12S 12-speed MTB bicycle rear derailleur, brand name, SRAM, model number, GX Eagle, Deores, 12-speed, SRAM GX Eagle 1X12S 12-speed MTB bicycle mountain bike Groupset kit shifter lever trigger right side rear derailleur. If you are looking for our product, the brand of SRAM is your good choice. Materials like alloy are used in making our product. The gears is 12-speed, product original from CN, origin, that, product sell points, convenient to use. This bike Groupset kit is easy to install and disassemble. You can use it as a tool for your bicycle, high quality and durable, made of high quality aluminum alloy material, which is durable and has a long service life. It can be used for a long time. Great seller communication. If you have any questions about the product, please feel free to contact us. We will try our best to help you. Backwards compatible, works with both 10-50T and new 10-52T cassettes. Updated cage architecture provides better chain retention and precise shifts. Comes in GX Eagle signature colorway as part of Eagle color system and goes with all colors of Eagle cassettes chains, from to gold to rainbow, to hard chrome and new copper. Number 3, Shimano Tiagra 4700, Groupset Road Bicycle Rear Derailleur, brand name, Shimano, gears, 10-speed, type, rear derailleur, model number, ST4700 FD4700 RD4700. Number 4, Shimano Q's 11-speed Groupset for MTB bike derailleurs kit, brand name, Shimano, type, rear derailleur, model number, U6000, gears, 11-speed, Shimano Q's Shadow RD rear derailleur 10/11 speed, tackle trails and choose rougher routes with confidence. Tackle trails with this versatile 1x11 speed rear derailleur's seamless shifting and pedaling. Its low-profile design and chain stabilization give riders the confidence to choose rougher routes. Features, stable drivetrain performance on trails, gravel, and city streets. Chain stabilizer reduces chain drop, slap and noise. Low-profile design is optimized for rough terrain. Total capacity, 39T, max low sprocket, 50T, 1x11 speed, 48T, 1x10 speed. Designed and tested to provide enduring e-biking performance, e-bike rated. Number 5, Shimano Tiagra 4700 Groupset 4700 Derailleur Road Bicycle, brand name, Shimano, type, rear derailleur, model number, 4700, gears, 10-speed, Shimano Tiagra 4700 Groupset 4700 Derailleur Road Bicycle 2x10 speed 50 to 34 52-36 T20s derailleur kit. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.